So this question is a translate word problem question. I know that given the length of the question. So I want to read this a sentence at a time. Make sure I write down any quantitative information from that sentence before moving on. Make sure I understand what I read in that sentence before moving on. So the first sentence here says a company decides to sponsor an employee bowling team. Okay, makes sense. Next sentence, the cost to form the team is $180 per team member plus a one-time $25 team registration. So cost, C, is going to equal the $25 that you're going to pay for the whole team plus 180 times, I'm going to say M for member. Could have used any variable I wanted. But basically 180 is going to be multiplied by the number of people you have on your team, right? So that's what the M represents. The next sentence here says, what is the maximum number of team members who can join the team if the company can spend $925 for the bowling team? Well, that means that the cost total will be $925, and this is still going to be $25 for the whole team, and we're going to have 180 times each member. And I just have to solve now for M to figure out, well, how many members could we get under this model? So I can solve this by subtracting 25 from both sides. I end up with 900 equals 180M. I divide both sides by 180. And what I get by doing that is that M is equal to 5. So we can have a maximum of 5 members joining this bowling team if the company doesn't want to spend over $925. So the answer here is 5.